Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's continue with the DOGE video update. And yesterday I did talk about a possible scenario that could have played out, and it played out to perfection. If you go and watch yesterday video 10 of November, you can see DOGE update, a possible shake off then a takeoff. Okay, so this was a huge shake off, and if you guys want to earn $10 per day, if you want to learn how to do that, you can also click the link here. Okay, it's gonna help you out big time, trust me. I've already get some few good responses that it's working actually, and it's lovely to hear that. And I'm not doing this for promotion purposes, it's actually something very effective. Okay, and yeah, once again we're into DOGE here, and this one is a symmetrical triangle that we have broken out, and we're coming down for the retest. And the thing is, yeah, if I dive into the 4 hour time frame, there's a lot of things going on now. Many people thinking that, oh no, I bought DOGE, should I sell it, should I do this, should I do that, you know, the newbies. I understand where you're coming from, guys, but if you're gonna focus on the 1 hour time frame and lose hope, you're not gonna win in this space. All right, that's the simple truth. Don't focus on a 1 day imagination that you are gonna buy and then you're gonna sell the next day and be a millionaire. I've said this time and time again. These things, you know, they take time, man. They take your investments. You know, you're planting in a seed. You know, I'm gonna come into the side here to just motivate you just a little bit. Okay, you just have this one small seed. You're planting it under the earth below here, the soil and everything. And this seed, it's gonna grow, man. It takes time to grow. It's gonna make a trunch right there. It's gonna have leaves. All of a sudden it's gonna be something small, and you're gonna give it even more water. Now the water here is your patience, man. You give it even more water, give it more patience, it's gonna grow, okay, and turn into a bigger tree, just like that, and continues moving. More patience, more water, and you're gonna have a very full blown out tree right there. Okay, but if you try to destroy it just because you planted the seed today and you're trying to take out the seed all of a sudden, what result are you gonna get? You're gonna get nothing. Okay, now this, you might find it funny or say whatever you want to say, but this is how it works in crypto as well. Okay, if you see the balance is going down, I've never been bothered, by the way. Okay, the reason why I even do good for myself is I've never been bothered with even a 50% drop. I've never been bothered. Okay, I'm not even joking with you right now. I've seen 50% drop, I've seen 1,000% increase. Okay, if they drop by 50%, the crypto is trying to say, if you cannot love me at my 50% drop, then do not support me at my 1,000% gains. Okay, don't support it. Don't come back and say, oh, I love you now. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. If you cannot support it at its red, don't come back at its green. Okay, so yeah, Dogecoin at the moment, I told you, there's this trend line that can be lost, and this was from yesterday's video. Because the Bitcoin was looking bad. Okay, Bitcoin already pumped nearly 69,000. It was shouting for a correction. It was doing that, and for me this is just a shake off, and we're still in an uptrend. Okay, nothing bearish about it, because you came near this trend line. Do you see that? Now this is your symmetrical line there. This is a symmetrical line. You've never lost it. You've never lost it. The bearish scenario for me is when you're gonna lose this level. Okay, that's when you're gonna go, that's it, your seed is not gonna grow. Okay, because the half part of the story is that when you plant a seed, okay, not every seed can grow. It's not guaranteed to grow. Okay, some of them go down, and for me in here, the only way for your seed to never go and grow is when you're gonna lose this one. So when you're gonna lose, then it's gonna be rotten. Everything's gonna go absolutely bad. Okay, lose the 0.16 and that's it, game over. So the thing is, we're still looking good at the moment. And if I dive into the daily time frame, guys, okay, I'm still waiting for Elon Musk to tweet something, say something about Dogecoin and pump this dog, now. But by the way, did you see this wick down there? I do think we're gonna go through a similar fashion right here, and finger crossed. I'm not really sure. This for me, man. Yes, we have lost the trend line. We have lost the trend line, which was respected for a very long time. So that actually logically puts you in a position where you can come back for a retest, get rejected, and go down to 22. Nearly 22, or nearly the 20, 21 areas. Okay, I'm gonna be very, very straightforward with you and clear with you that By the end of the day, this was a trend line. It was respected for a very long time and it has been lost. Okay, and in crypto, when you're doing technical analysis, you have to be very logical and not emotional in here. Okay, if I try to get emotional that, oh no 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 this, but for me personally, yeah, I do think you came to a level of resistance once again, because I'm gonna show you back on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm just gonna bring this in. Okay, and we had this level of resistance back in the days that I used to tell you. Do you see this? We never lost this resistance nonetheless, which is 0.25. I've been telling you this resistance in the past videos as well. Even at the moment you just came down, make us wake and pushed back up, and you're again above this resistance level, which is the 0.25. So you start, maybe because you never know, you know, you've lost the trend line right there. You've lost the trend line by the end of the day. So if you start coming down, okay, pay attention to this part. If you start losing this level, which is the 0.2519, come back, fail the retest, you might drop a little bit more down near the 22 area, and you can take a really nice entry right there if you're looking for an entry. But it's finger crossed, a situation that I don't think it's gonna go down. Who knows, we could even go more down. Okay, so at the moment, even if it ever comes down here, I'm not going to suggest you to start panic selling, especially in November. Okay, in November. And if it ever, once again, if it ever comes down nearly this level, that's the moment when I'm gonna say, hey, I've lost. Okay, I've lost it. I don't think we're gonna move towards the upside. That's it for me. Okay, but at the moment we're still in a bull market and we're gonna continue towards the upside. Okay, so pay attention to this video. Pay attention. We have lost the trend line here. A quick recap: we are going back for the retest, and I do hope we get the retest to be confirmed. Otherwise, if you start coming down, roll over, lose this level of support right there, and you come down, retest, fail, that's it. You're gonna go even a little bit down and properly come back to this trend line. Okay, back to this trend line, and from here you could bounce and go back up. Okay, but I do expect by November, in November alone, I don't know, finger crossed, not a financial advice, we are going to reach this level. Okay, in the next 18 days. Today's 11th of November, but in the next 18 days I do believe whatever happens here, whatever the nasty bloody business happens down there, okay, trust me, they can pump back up in one day by 50%. I've seen this in crypto. Okay, I've seen this for the past 5 years. They always bounce back in one day. Okay, it's gonna really make you pissed off if you're gonna sell it. Okay, so that's a Doge update. Okay, for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.